Liverpool your madwin so the mother of all rebuild. Now omo modern mona and conkan nti na ehwema omo dwumadie kese na no midfield and omo di na omo ni abrese ombebie na nka omo timi aye amanema conkan. What is at stake for Liverpool currently, Mira? And they say they will need midfielders. Into the screen is well Alexis McAllister ewa Manu Kone ewa and then Catherine Turam enso ewa Mira Misra bisa asemba ko pe be ma bunfu. Sa dimi ensem why na wadwen so world class talent operating at this level now.
CCI.
There isn't a single world class midfielder here. Unless you don't want to be truthful to yourself. Mira say me ever say me profile here. Jude Bellingham ba be share.
Yes.
We mean one and card be share. So who scan the amount say compare midfielders ah. Omo ye ade wo wiase ah. What the federal advise the ba be share mfimfin ah.
Yeah.
Now do any afemu abre. Joshua Kimmich.
Now they also akosha.
Nti the person out here say Liverpool are operating in second gear. And now they are motor world class midfielders. We mo your ball mudin, omo nyina potential. Ba ko kura ni ho wa ha Mira, obetimi do nsa su bu aka say player we dey me hwe ne modern money no sie ne djuma na ne modern mo bruso. Nti ene me nkomo kakra me bedi e o Liverpool midfield rebuild no. Let's pick it on with the context say there isn't a single character here who is a world class performer. Minimum Liverpool every say Omonya the right profile. Jurgen Klopp could mold into a world class midfield. Into go back. The last time at Liverpool, imagine so a midfield makeup and as a rebuild no. Gino Wijnaldum will come here.
Yes.
Fabinho would be here. Jordan Henderson. So this boy would effectively take Jordan Henderson out of the Liverpool team. Now, Nema Nyomo Yeno, fascinating. Players in the world class, financial team. But they have the right tools and profile.
We move the next season results on break.
Exactly. But more the right tools and profile. Coach, no, a bit exactly. A 1 year kakusi. Kaisaido mono. Haya bi no mo.
Moise I say.
They are all potential world class players.
Mano Gati mo.
Enzo Fernandez omunyina was a level way.
Now then I Jude Bellingham the boy so.
Bra, he has operated at the top level for a consistent period. Wait, the first time I bought European football of any form. Conference League, Europa League, Champions League. Alexis McAllister on board.
Oh, okay.
At Nice, we've seen him. Catherine Turam. Sa. Obo Champions League no for Monaco. The debut at Monaco, Thierry Henry the man no, was in the Champions League. But Mira, he is not a world class operator. Similarly to Manu Kone, another player who is not a world class operator. Gladbach that been about Champions League ni Mira. So you could clearly see what they are trying to do. They are looking for profiles that would suit what they intend to do. In the long run, Liverpool are looking to have a midfield of this nature. Stylistically, every player say the fee is going to be below the 60 million reported.
Yes.
They factor that in. And you're from Argentina. And I pay Fabrice Hawkins and Saber Def Sama exchanging emails. Indeed, Liverpool are progressing with both Mönchengladbach and Nice for a deal for Thuram and then Manu Kone. Would you do some more sika?
David.
Exactly. Minimum, they are trusting their coach to do something with these boys. Stylistically, the amount profile is interesting for me, especially with Thuram. Ball progression. I had about Liverpool lucky this season. Midfielders are progressive. Jordan Henderson no assassin no to back pass. He hasn't got the athleticism to do what he's supposed to do, and he hasn't got the technical ability on the ball like it used to be. But Catherine Turam at 6'4", why I say Ibrahimovic? Until your friend, I know my level, Sama.
Mate, me da se pa. Abazo. Abu, brome, na fame call kakra.